what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something a little bit different than just video games. So today me and my wife went out and we decided to make each other mystery boxes. So today I am going to be opening the mystery box right here, and we're going to see what she got me in this mystery box. This is not my station, as you can see. I'm using hers because my desk is kind of smaller. Before I get into opening this, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. Now let's just get right into it. Alright, I'm going to show you guys what she got. Can I see? Alright, so the first item, we're going to just move it around. Okay.
I wrote little notes on them.
Okay, so the note says, "Who doesn't want a chimichanga?" Okay, what is this? So this is what it looks like. Don't know what this is. Can't even open it. That's what it looks like. It looks pretty cool. Can't even get the table. Heck, man. How many things is wrapped in here? What is this? Alright, I think that's a sticker. Alright, so in this box, we got a couple things. We got one of these. I don't know, it's a full body. And then we got some extra. And then a sweet sticky. No? Okay. Alright. So I already opened this. So we're gonna see. Oh, this is the tail. Okay. So this is the first thing.
There you go.
So this is the first thing. I don't know what it is. It's a squirrel with a Deadpool mask on. Okay, so we got an extra acorn. And then a knife. And then this sweet sticky. It's probably just a sticker. Or like a temporary tattoo. Yeah. It's just stickers. Alright, so we're ready to bring the box back up. Gonna move these to the side. And we're gonna pick our second item. It says, honestly, I got this just to reach 10 items. So we gave each other a limit of 10 items, and I struggled on my last item to get her. And
That's
then,
why I got that.
yeah,
I struggled too.
So she's behind the camera, so if you hear her voice, yeah, she's behind the camera. So it says, the force is strong with this one. What is it? It's like a magnet?
No, it's like the sticker I have.
Oh, okay. Well, this is it. Can you see it? Okay, so it's basically a sticker that you just stick on your desk, or like, oh, okay, so you stick it on a laptop, a phone, or a water bottle. It's pretty cool.
What phone is that going to sit on?
I have no idea, but you stick it on a phone. Alright, so that is the second item. So we're going to bring the box back up, and we're going to pick our third item. It says, don't ask me why, because I don't know. Alright. This is a voice changer. It disguises your voice. And it needs batteries. Alright. So it has child, man, robot, rock and roll, fuzzy, woman, and echo. So I just... Hello? Hello? How are you?
Say what option you're picking.
Oh, this one's child. Hello? How are you? Now this is a robot. you can't even hear what I'm saying. Now this is fuzzy. Hello? Nope, we're not using that. We're gonna pick up the box and on to, what's this, the fourth item? Fourth item. I don't want to read this. The sea poop a lot, so why not? Thank you, baby. Alright, so this is the memory game for when you're taking a dump and you get bored. I'll test this later. So on to the 5th item.
Where's the note? Yes.
I really wanted to taste these, so I put them in your mystery box. So they are sour candies. So let's try these. I should have known these were fake! Look at this. This doesn't even look like real candy. I like it. I respect it. I respect it. Alright. I got this because it changes colors, and for some reason you like things that change colors. I do like things that change colors. Helicopter drone. Does it need batteries? Oh no, it's chargers. So it doesn't. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on the charger. You know, I'm gonna let it charge up a little, and then at the end of the video, we're gonna put this to the test. So I will be right back. Do this because it's breaking. All right. So the next item. Okay, so I got this poster because, why not? So we got a little llama. Okay. We got 3 items left. I just thought this was funny. So it's a sleep mask, and this is what it says. Well, alrighty then. You know what? We're gonna wear the sleep mask. And we're gonna eat it. So here we go. It's actually comfortable. I'm about to wear this when I go to bed tonight. I probably won't wake up. All right, so we're gonna wear this. We're gonna wear the sleep mask like this. This is gonna be it. We got about 2 more items. Like you did not. You're welcome. It's got me a Dunder Mifflin hat. Where'd you even find this?
You didn't see it?
No.
I don't know. It's just in the back.
Alright, fuck the sleep mask. How's it look? Do I look official? Do I look like a fan? There we go. I got a new hat. Alright, so the last item. I got this because the alarm on your phone doesn't wake you up. A digital alarm clock. Alright. I bet you this thing won't even wake me up either. Okay, and it takes batteries. It takes 3 AAA batteries. Everything takes freaking batteries. It's an alarm clock. Everybody knows how an alarm clock works. I don't really have to test it. But yeah, it's an alarm clock. I'll probably use it tonight when I go to bed and see how it does. So yeah, that's everything. Alright, well yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. So if you guys want me to do more of these, let me know down below in the comments. I'll definitely do more. I'll link down my wife's channel because the mystery box I got her will be on her channel. So go check her channel out to see what I got her. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy, leave a like. Alright, I'm just gonna end this because I'm talking way too much. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.